The cost of motorhoming is going up. No doubt you've noticed the cost of fuel and campsites increasing. The cost of buying a new or second-hand.
The Winnebago Vista 31B stands as a testament to the iconic reputation of Winnebago in the world of motorhomes. Equipped with a standard driver confidence package featuring 9 advanced technologies, including adaptive cruise control and pre-collision assist, it ensures comfort and confidence behind the wheel. Inside, the Vista 31B provides ample seating with swiveling captain's chairs, a sofa bed, and a convertible dinette that doubles as sleeping space. Adjacent to the seating area is a full bath accessible from both the master bedroom and the kitchen. Across from the bathroom are 30-inch by 73-inch bunk beds, ideal for accommodating additional passengers. The master bedroom features a queen bed and wardrobe, ensuring a comfortable and restful retreat for travelers. The Forest River Georgetown GT7 31XY is a standout Class A motorhome, measuring under 35 feet, packed with an array of impressive features. At the cockpit, 2 swiveling captain's chairs provide comfort, complemented by a convenient table between them and a passenger workstation up front, perfect for staying productive on the go. The well-equipped kitchen boasts a recessed 3-burner LP cooktop, microwave, 3-door residential fridge, and LP oven, catering to all culinary needs. Adjacent to the kitchen is a dream dinette and cozy theater seating, accompanied by a TV over the kitchen sink for entertainment. The master bedroom features a king bed, wardrobes, a TV, and an option for a washer and dryer, ensuring a comfortable and restful retreat after a day of adventure. Looking for ample sleeping space in a Class A motorhome under 35 feet? The Thor Hurricane 29M is the perfect choice. With a king bed in the rear, a dream dinette, and a sofa bed toward the front, plus a drop-down overhead bunk above the cockpit, this motorhome can comfortably accommodate up to 8 people. In addition to the sleeping arrangements, the captain's chairs provide extra seating, with a convenient coffee table between them. The well-equipped kitchen features a 3-burner stove, microwave, and fridge, making meal preparation a breeze. Plus, there's an exterior kitchen for outdoor cooking and dining. With its versatile layout and abundance of features, the Thor Hurricane 29M is the ideal choice for your next adventure. Introducing the Newmar Ventana 3512, the first diesel Class A motorhome, offering unparalleled customization options to suit your preferences. Inside, you'll discover a wealth of seating options, including an 84-inch sofa, sleeper booth dinette, swivel captain's chairs, and a unique dry bar for added convenience. Entertainment is at your fingertips with a 50-inch 4K LED TV on a power lift next to the dinette. The kitchen is thoughtfully equipped with a convection microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and fridge, ensuring you have everything you need to create culinary delights on the road. Across from the kitchen lies the full bath, followed by the master bedroom. The Ventana 3512 offers a plethora of customizable options, including solar panels, radiant heat below the main floor tiles, upgraded appliances, and much more, allowing you to create your dream home on wheels. With its versatility and luxury features, the Newmar Ventana 3512 is sure to elevate your RVing experience to new heights. Meet the Jayco Alante 29F, a Class A motorhome designed to cater to the whole family with its abundance of features. Inside, you'll find plenty of seating options, including swivel captain's chairs, a 68-inch jackknife sofa, and a 38-inch by 70-inch dinette, ensuring everyone has a comfortable place to relax. Entertainment is at your fingertips with a 39-inch TV on a lift, providing endless viewing options. The well-equipped kitchen boasts a 3-burner stove, microwave, and fridge, along with a convenient countertop extension for extra cooking space. In the rear of the motorhome lies the cozy bedroom, complete with a queen bed, wardrobe, and the option for an additional TV, ensuring a restful night's sleep for all. With its versatile layout and family-friendly features, the Jayco Alante 29F is the perfect choice for your next adventure. Fleetwood proudly presents the Bounder 33C as the greatest selling motorhome of all time, and it's easy to understand why. Step inside and you'll discover a thoughtfully designed interior featuring a rest-easy sleeper dinette and a jackknife sofa on one end of the RV in a convenient slide-out. Across from this cozy seating area is the fully equipped kitchen, boasting a 3-burner cooktop, double sink, convection microwave, and residential fridge. Adding to the ambiance is a fireplace with an LED TV positioned across from the sofa. Adjacent to this inviting space is a spacious full bath, complete with a 24-inch by 40-inch shower for added comfort. Beyond the bathroom lies the tranquil master bedroom, featuring a plush king bed, LED TV, and ample storage with a dresser and wardrobes. With its combination of comfort, convenience, and customizable features, the Fleetwood Bounder 33C is sure to elevate your motoring experience to new heights. Introducing Tiffin's remarkable gas-powered Class A motorhome, the Tiffin Open Road Allegro 32 SA, brimming with an array of exceptional features. Measuring under 35 feet, this motorhome offers a luxurious interior appointed with high-end furniture, hardwood cabinetry, and vinyl flooring for a touch of elegance. Inside, you'll discover a comfortable booth dinette sleeper and a flip and fold sofa bed, providing ample sleeping space for your travels. Alternatively, you can opt to swap out the sofa for a computer workstation or an air coil sofa bed to suit your needs. Opposite the seating area lies the well-appointed kitchen, complete with a double sink, convection microwave, 3-burner stove, and a residential fridge, ensuring you have everything you need to prepare delicious meals on the go. Across from the sofa, you'll find the TV with the option to add a fireplace for added comfort and ambiance. Beyond the living area is the bathroom, featuring a separate shower for maximum convenience. In the rear of the motorhome, you'll discover the tranquil bedroom, boasting a king-sized bed, swivel TV, and the option for a washer-dryer combo, ensuring a restful retreat after a day of adventure. The Coachmen Euro 25 EU presents a unique layout for a Class A motorhome under 35 feet. As you step inside, you'll find yourself at the center, with the seating area to your right. Here, a 63-inch sofa offers a cozy spot to relax, while across from it, you'll discover distinctive double recliners, with a convenient table in between. Above this seating arrangement is a TV for your entertainment needs. Moving beyond the seating area, you'll find the well-equipped kitchen, complete with an induction cooktop, convection microwave, and fridge, along with an extra-large sink for added convenience. Adjacent to the fridge, a closet with washer and dryer prep offers added versatility. At the rear of the motorhome is the bedroom, featuring a comfortable king bed and another TV for your enjoyment. The Entegra Coach Vision 27A is a compact and easy-driving Class A motorhome that is built for a luxury lifestyle. With its easy drive ride and handling package, navigating the roads becomes a breeze, offering a smooth and comfortable driving experience. Inside, you'll find a cozy seating area featuring a 68-inch jackknife sofa, a dinette with a 39-inch TV on a lift, and swiveling captain's chairs with a convenient cockpit table. The kitchen, though compact, is well equipped with a 3-burner stove, microwave, fridge, and a countertop extension for added space and functionality. A sliding door separates the kitchen from the bedroom, which boasts a luxurious king bed, wardrobe, and the option for an additional TV for entertainment. On the exterior of the RV, you'll find an entertainment center and an 18-inch awning, perfect for enjoying the outdoors in style. The Forest River FR3 32DS is a spacious Class A motorhome offering ample seating and sleeping space for the whole family and more. Inside, the main seating area features a generous wraparound booth dinette, a comfortable sofa, and captain's chairs, providing plenty of room for relaxation. The kitchen is well equipped with a 3-burner stove, residential microwave, a spacious 3-door fridge, and multiple countertop extensions, making meal preparation a breeze. Sleeping accommodations extend to the master bedroom, furnished with a king bed, as well as the dinette and a 48-inch by 84-inch bunk above the cab. A full bath at midship features a convenient 26-inch by 38-inch shower, ensuring comfort and convenience while on the road. The Jayco Precept 36B may be classified as a large yet compact Class A motorhome, boasting opposing slides that create a surprisingly spacious interior. Despite being just under 40 feet in length and 24,000 pounds, this motorhome exudes a sense of grandeur inside. The bedroom benefits from the opposing slides, imparting a generous feel, while the living area, though sizable on its own, maintains a cozy atmosphere. The master bathroom, occupying the entire rear space, offers a unique layout akin to a short hallway, yet still provides ample room for movement. Sleeping arrangements are abundant, catering to large families with a king bed, hide-a-bed, a set of bunks, and a convertible dinette, ensuring everyone has a comfortable place to rest. For those seeking a camping experience without compromising on comfort, the Newmar Dutch Star stands out as a must-consider motorhome, offering multiple layout options, including wheelchair accessibility. This bus caters to various needs. One standout feature is its exceptionally spacious bathrooms, boasting a large shower, washer-dryer, and 2 vanities nestled within the master suite. Entertainment options are many, allowing you to unwind by the electric fireplace while enjoying satellite or cable television, ensuring a cozy and enjoyable experience during your travels. The Entegra Cornerstone sets the bar high as a luxury motor coach, boasting impressive power with its Cummins X 605 horsepower engine and Spartan K3 raised rail chassis. Equipped with a hitch capable of towing a massive 20,000 pounds with a 7-pin plug, this Class A RV offers both strength and versatility. With 6 floor plans to choose from, the interiors of the Cornerstone exude modern elegance and feature high-end amenities. From walk-in closets and washer and dryers to large L-shaped sofas, every detail is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. The residential-style appliances and furniture add a touch of sophistication, complemented by tiled floors, electric fireplaces, and powered shades for a luxurious ambiance. Among the many luxury features of the Cornerstone are the leather massaging driver and passenger seats, offering unparalleled comfort during your travels. In the Coachmen Sportscoach 354 QS, the couch slide-out and galley slide-out are strategically positioned opposite each other, creating an expansive reverse L dining space. Positioned midway down the motorhome, the bathroom impresses with its spacious layout, accommodating a dual sink, large shower, and a toilet that offers ample space without requiring any squeezing. Attention to detail shines through in features like soft close drawers, an induction cooktop, and a unique blend of propane and electric systems. While many motorhomes opt for all-electric setups, particularly with induction stoves, Coachmen breaks the mold by incorporating propane for the water heater and furnace, offering a versatile and efficient approach to RV living. The Thor Challenger 37FH stands as a formidable gas motorhome, boasting a spacious interior layout with slides. This Class A RV features a full wall slide opposite 2 additional slides, one for the living room seating and another for the master bedroom, creating a generous living space. Storage is abundant throughout the motorhome, with large closets, pantries, cabinetry, a pass-through, and numerous exterior storage compartments, ensuring ample room for all your essentials. Amenities like the tankless water heater contribute to maximizing available space, enhancing convenience and comfort. The one-piece TPL roof is equipped to accommodate dual air conditioners, a solar panel, and a digital antenna, providing enhanced functionality and efficiency for your travels.